Put yourself in this situation. You're sitting in a critical meeting. The stakes are high and the room is looking at you for the final call. You've just got minutes to make the decision that could impact the entire organization, so what do? Hi, I'm Andrew. And while this scenario might sound extreme, it's one that many leaders face on a regular basis. When the pressure is on, the decisions we make can define the future of our business. But the good news is there are strategies that you can use to prepare for these moments and navigate them with clarity and confidence. Let's take a look at how successful leaders handle high-pressure decision-making. One of the most effective ways to manage pressure is to anticipate it. Leaders who prepare for various scenarios don't waste time scrambling when a challenge arises. Scenario planning allows for you to look ahead and consider different outcomes. If you've already thought through the potential challenges, you can respond quickly and decisively when things go off track. It's not about predicting the future, it's about being prepared for whatever might come your way. Clear thinking in high-pressure situations comes from mental resilience. Leaders who practice staying calm and focused are better equipped to handle the unexpected. Building mental resilience is key. Regular practice like mindfulness, meditation, or simply taking time to decompress can help you stay level-headed, even when the stakes are high. When your mind is calm, you're able to think more clearly and make better decisions, no matter how much the pressure you're under. One way to avoid making mistakes under pressure is by identifying potential pitfalls before they happen. This is where pre-mortem analysis comes into play. A pre-mortem is essentially asking, what could go wrong before you make a decision? By exploring the potential risks ahead of time, you're better prepared to mitigate them when they arise. This helps you stay in control, even when things don't go as planned. When pressure hits, having a variety of decision-making tools available ensures you can adopt the situation at hand. No two situations are the same, which is why successful leaders have different decision-making techniques in their toolkit. Sometimes it's about data-driven choices. Other times it's instinct, or maybe it's consulting your team. Having these options gives you the flexibility to make the best possible decision when the heat is on. High-pressure decisions don't have to feel overwhelming. With the right preparation, you can face them with the confidence and clarity that's required. So here's my challenge. Start incorporating these strategies now. Whether it's scenario planning, building mental resilience, or using pre-mortem analysis. Each of these techniques will help you make better decisions when it counts the most. Remember, great leaders just don't react to pressure, they're ready for it.